Are Nintendo Switch sales declining? Industry update. Imagine a gaming landscape where one device has managed to captivate millions of players across the globe for several years. The Nintendo Switch has been a remarkable success story since its launch in March of 2016. Its hybrid design, allowing players to switch between handheld and television modes, has set it apart from competitors. But in recent times, industry analysts and market reports have raised questions about whether its sales momentum is slowing down. Looking at the sales figures, the Nintendo Switch has sold over 110 million units worldwide as of the end of 2023. This makes it one of the best-selling gaming consoles of all time. However, the pace of sales has shown signs of plateauing. In the fiscal year ending March of 2023, the console sold approximately 15 million units, which is a decline compared to the previous year's sales of over 20 million units. This slowdown is partly attributed to market saturation, where most potential buyers who wanted a Nintendo Switch already own one. Additionally, the global chip shortage and supply chain disruptions have impacted production and availability, leading to decreased sales in certain regions. The releases of new hardware from competitors, such as Sony's PlayStation 5 and Microsoft's Xbox Series X and Series S, has also shifted consumer attention. These newer consoles offer advanced graphics and processing capabilities, attracting a segment of gamers who might have otherwise considered a Nintendo Switch. Despite these challenges, Nintendo continues to release popular game titles and limited edition consoles, which sustain interest among existing fans. The company's strategy to focus on exclusive franchises like Super Mario, The Legend of Zelda, and Pokémon helps maintain a steady demand. Furthermore, the Nintendo Switch online service and upcoming game releases are expected to support continued engagement. In summary, while the Nintendo Switch's sales growth has slowed compared to its peak years, it remains a significant player in the gaming industry. The decline in sales figures reflects broader market dynamics and the natural life cycle of gaming hardware. However, the device's strong brand presence and ongoing software support suggest that it will continue to be relevant for some time.